Alright, I'm back here with another video. This time I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on an Xbox Elite Series 2 controller. This is the core one, so this doesn't come with all the extra buttons, the paddle triggers, and the case and the charger. Well, I happen to have bought like 3 or 4 of these. These things aren't necessarily the greatest as far as reliability. I usually get about a year use before I have to replace them. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, pull this crap off. Got a good deal on this. For being a Best Buy Plus member, I got $45 off of it, and apparently I got $40 in codes, gift certificates to use. So I was like, shit, $59. Alright. This usually costs like $160 after tax. Alright, so we got a red controller, little grips. This usually comes off. You're gonna do that, but you can't do the inside. Seriously? Anyway, these come off. They're magnetic. They also have spots here where you can adjust how tight or loose it is when you turn it. I don't know if it has any tools in it. Let's see. Yeah, it does. So this is the tool you use right here to adjust it. This just adjusts the tension. Oh, alright. In the past, they've only used green ribbed cables. This one is matching the tone of the controller. Now, I don't personally own an Xbox. I mean, I've owned them all, but I can pretty much play all the games on PC with Game Pass, or just buy them outright and play them on the PC. So, yeah. So you got some books. Nothing really interesting in here. Let me know in the comments if you want me to actually pull out the books and go through it all. So this is rechargeable. It usually gets, I can usually go a couple of days before I have to charge these things. I've been using my PlayStation 5 DualSense controller because the right bumper for the right top trigger isn't registering, even though I took it completely apart and tried to clean it and fix it. Alright, we're going to swap over to the PC so I can show you that there's an app you can use to actually update the firmware on these in case they're having connectivity issues. Alright, so we can take this cable. I'm sorry, I'm unbraiding the cable so I can hook it up. Alright. Alright, connected. So what you want to do is you want to type in Xbox accessories app. Alright. It's the Microsoft Store. It's not the best tool, but it gets the job done. You can set custom profiles depending on which games you want to play. Chrome likes to block. One. Oh. Take that long. Using downloads. Xbox. There it goes. Alright. Designed to meet the needs of today's passionate gamers, Xbox Elite Wire Series. Controller puts exceptional performance, customization, and durability where it matters most. And Use this app to customize your controller, remap buttons and paddles, change trigger settings and stick sensitivity curves, modify vibration intensity, and adjust the Xbox button brightness. Remap buttons and paddles to the system commands such as record what happens or take screenshots. Assign a button or paddle to act as a shift key to enable alternate inputs for each. Create and store over 250 custom profiles in the cloud. Save up to 3 of those profiles on your controller and switch between them on the profile button. Alright, let's begin. Get started. Get your controller and name. Alright. Name it engine. Alright, so now I'm gonna update. This takes a minute. What happens? I'm going to speed up the video while it's doing this, so you won't have to sit here and go through this entire process. Alright, we're back. So here you can configure the controller with different profiles. These are the paddles. I have them. I just don't use them. So I'm gonna skip this step. That's pretty much it for that. Alright. Now the controller is updated. So some of the other cool things you can do with this is the paddles. So they have these buttons here. These are where you hook in the paddles here. What I didn't mean paddles. These are the adaptive triggers, so you can adjust them. So all the way down has like a little click, so if you're playing shooters, you barely have to do anything. Go up one, it's halfway. Oh, look at me, halfway. And then this puts it back. I prefer all the way down on any game because the less travel to me means the quicker response time and the quicker I can press buttons. All right, so yeah, this is the controller. The rubber feels good. This doesn't really sweat. I wish the back was black. I mean, they do make all black ones, so this is definitely gonna, over time, it's gonna show dirt, grime, scuffs. But overall, these are really nice controllers, and I do prefer them when I'm playing PC games. Alright, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to it, and in the comments below, if you want me to review a piece of tech, just let me know and I'll look into doing it. Thank you. Have a nice day.